Okay, so I've got these beautiful pepper seedlings that I started with seed, and now I have to transplant them into their own individual little pots and see if I can do this without destroying any of them. Okay, so far so good. Gently ease them away from each other. Get as much root as possible. Okay. One down. Oh, aren't they beautiful? They're absolutely gorgeous. So, let's see how many we're able to transplant and how many actually survive the process. Little tiny one, well, now this is a seed starting mix, potting soil mix, so it's fine. Two down. Really shouldn't be picking them up by the stems. And I've got them in this cardboard type container that either you can plant the whole thing as is or tear away. Okay, let's see another one here. We don't really want to lose. Yep, we've got roots there. Looks like a little one, but I think we have enough little pots for everything here, but we'll see. Spring is so exciting, new life. How can anyone not like working in the soil? Plant a garden. Have to be extremely careful picking them up by the stem. Should really be picking them up by the second leaf. But if you are extremely careful, see, this is the way they should be picked up. For some reason that's stronger. Well, this is a beautiful one. And then we'll do a count and see how many of them that I've repotted survive the process. Lovely. Of course, what happens is when you repot, it slows down the growth, so it has to readjust to being in the pot. I could have started them individually, one seed per pot, although I can't put these in the ground till at least mid-May, maybe later than that, so there's time for them to recover. That's about 6 weeks from now, at best. more like 7. Good healthy roots there. Now, as you can see, I've put these in a shoebox, and the little shoebox I just put on the window ledge to get as much sunlight as possible. What if we got 3? And we'll pick the 3 healthiest little plants. So there's 1, 2, and you know what? We'll put these 3 little ones all together and see if any of them survive. Two, three, 4, and 5. Okay, so I've got 14 little pots in this, and 13 definitely healthy looking plants. And we're going to have one little pot with 3 little tiny ones in it. Have to be a little more gentle with these guys. They're a little more fragile. There's 1. 2, and there's 3, and it's up to them if any of them decide to survive. What I'm going to do now is water them from the bottom, and these little paper cups will soak up all the water. So that's enough for now. I'll check it later to see if it's absorbed all the water, because we don't want them standing in sitting water. But as long as they've absorbed all the water, I may add a bit more, or just keep an eye on them every day to see how much water they need. Well, there's my beginnings of my garden plantings. 14. There's 5, 10, and 14. Yay! Okay, well here's some tomato seeds that I'm going to plant in the extra holes, and I'm only going to do 1 per square. The only other way to thin these out, of course, is to destroy one of them, which you can do. And if I had too many, I would do that. Okay, that's it. We'll save these. Probably won't be using them for next year, but keep them anyway. And that's it for today's little video. I'm just going to water these babies and put them back on the window ledge. And actually, yes, I should cover these fellas up a little bit better. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one. And I hope you enjoy gardening as much as I do.